Hi everyone, this is the Polish chef, and today we're going to talk about kapusta. Word kapusta in Polish means cabbage, just cabbage. Today we're making surówka z kapustą kwaszoną, meaning with sauerkraut. No to do roboty. Now, this is sauerkraut juice. I dare you. Delicious. Not as delicious as my beer that it's waiting for me. Just give a quick chop across. There you go. We're going to start with apple. Just make sure you don't grate the seeds into it. That's doing pretty good. That's how Grandma used to do it. A little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. And a little bit of sugar. This will give this sweetness and mellow out the salad a little bit. Drizzle the oil and I will give a good toss. After all this work, I think I deserve a beer.
Not yet.
It's been sitting for about half hour. What I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to sprinkle a little more sugar in there. My little Polish bowl. This will be good as a side dish to a ham sandwich. I have some Krakus Polish ham. I think our lunch is ready. Nice fresh bread. A little tart, a little sweet and sour. Na zdrowie. Hope you make the salad. Real good.
Hey, thanks for lunch.
Thanks for watching. How is it?
Aren't you going to tell people to subscribe to your channel?
Oh, never do. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe to the Polish Chef.